nobody will. I have an emptiness in my heart that you only could feel. You're 1,000 miles away, babe, and I miss your kills. I miss your laugh, I miss your bad damn, I'm behind the wheel. But I don't even know. Girl, I don't even know who you are. I don't even know who you are. It's been a while since you left me. I'll smile when you text me. After you realize your new man fucked up one time too many. Remember when we split? You said please don't forget me. I didn't forget, you forgot me. That's contradicting. Sometimes I sit and wonder if maybe it's just too late for me. It sucks because my anxiety won't allow me to wait and see all the love that you gave to me, all the things that you say to me. Please don't say it was make-believe. I hate it cause you're away from me. You took my heart and you went and split it in two. And everybody knows it. Nothing's what you give to me, nothing's what you did for me. I thought you were into me, you made me a memory, gave you all that's left of me. Everything is dead to me. Where are you mentally? Cause I don't even know. Girl, I don't even know who you are. I don't even know who you are.
Strider Power Mode.